Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IB Diploma Mathematics regarding logarithms, let us discuss about change of base rule. If log a base b equal to x, therefore you can say now we are introducing new base c, that is log b power x equal base c equal log a base c. That is, look at here b power x equal to a. From this you can say it is b power x equal to a. Then taking log both sides with base c, that is log bx base c log a base c. Now here x component x log b base c equal log c log a base c. Then x equal to log c log base ca over log b base c. This is a change of base rule. It's more useful. Now that means, look at here, this here we are introducing here the new base c, that is x equal to log a base c over log b base c. Regarding this, we can do some solving problems. Find log 9 base 2. Now, how to find this value? Let log of 9 base 2 equal to x. Then, from this, we can say 2 power x equal to 9. Therefore, you can say log a base b, the formula log a base c over log c log b base c. Now by using this rule, you can say log of 2 power x equal to log 9, then x log 2 log 9 over log 2. So here we are using log, means consider this base 10, which is hide here, but it's base 10. So we can write this also log base 10 9 over log base 10 over 2. Both are same meaning. Therefore, x equal to log 9 over log 2. Log 9, by using calculator, log 9 log 9 equal 0.9542 over log 2 equal 0.3011. 3010 now, which is equal 0.9542 divide 0.3010, which is equal 3.17 approximate. So we got this log 9 base 2 equal. Therefore, log of 9 base 2 equal to 3.17. Now, let us solve some equations here. Example, solve 25 power x minus 3 into 5 power x equal to 0. Then how to do this one? So 25 power x equal to 3 into 5 power x. So 25 power x, 5 power x equal to 3. 25 is 5 power 2, that is into x. 5 power 2x over 5 power x equal to 3. So 5 power 2x over 5 power x is 5 power x equal to 3. Therefore, x log 5 equal to log 3. Therefore, x you can say log 3 over log 5. So by using calculator, you can find this log 3 with base 10. Log 3 equal 0.47712 over log 5 0.699 given 0.47712 divide 0.6990, which is equal 0.68258 approximate. One more example. Solve log base 4 x cube plus log base 2 root x equal to 8. Your your log x cube log 4 x cube can be written as log x cube divided by log 4. Change of base root, both are base 10. Which is further equal log of x cube over 4 can be written as 2 squared log of, that is 2 log 2, because log 4 is 2 log 2, and log x base 2 is as it is. Now, therefore, we can write this as here, and both are, we are introducing the base as 2 here, 2 here, then which is equal log of base 2 x cube over log 2 base 2 is 1, therefore it is 2. Therefore, instead of log x cube base 4 is this. Therefore, we can write one more time log of x cube, log of x cube base 4 is plus log root x base 2 equal 8. So instead of log x cube base 4 is here, that is log base 2 x cube over 2 plus log base 2 root x equal to 8. So that means we introduced log x cube base 4 is log base 2 x cube over 2. This have log x log base 2 which can be written as half log 2 x cube plus log base 2 root x equal to 8. This half go up as a power, that is log of base 2 x cube is already there, into half is 3 by 2 power, this half go up as a power, then log of base 2 root x equal to 8. Look at here, this both are same bases, so log base 2 x 3 by 2 into root x equal to 8. So which is equal log of base 2 x power 3 by 2 into x power half equal to x square equal to 8. Therefore, which gives 2 power 8 equal to x square. Therefore, 2 power 4 power 2 is x square. 2 power 4 is 16 power 2 equal to x square. Therefore, x equal to 16. So we got x equal to 16 for the solution. So far we discussed about change of base rule in logarithms, and we have done some interesting problems. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.